see the shot, so how'd the shot feel?
I don't know.
Did it surprise you? Look at him coming at us.